Hi there, it's Cody here at Guys Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we are going to look at a 2021 Jayco Jay Feather 24RL. We'll do a quick walk around of the outside and then we'll head to the inside. On the outside here you'll notice it's the Jayco vacuum bonded fiberglass. The new front cap. You've got two 20-pound propane tanks on the front, along with a electric tongue jack. We have 4 manual stabilizer jacks. It's also prepped for a side camera. Look at the pass-through storage here. We got a light in here. You got your 12-volt cutoff switch, your 30-amp power cord. Down the side of the trailer here you'll have your city water connection, outside shower, and then up above you'll have your black tank flush. Goodyear tires, aluminum rims. We have a rack and pinion slide out. Windows on all sides that slide out. Back here on the back side of the trailer you got your 30-amp power supply, cable TV, and satellite input. You got the J Smart lighting system with backup lights, backup camera prep, nice back window, matching Goodyear spare tire with the spare tire cover. You also have a roof ladder here that's rated for 250 pounds. Nice stabilizer jack, Solera electric awning with the LED light strip. Spans the whole side of this trailer, so your whole camping side is going to be covered. In the back compartment here, we have the R-Vision mini refrigerator. Got to be able to keep them drinks cold and keep them close. Cable output here, and you've got power outlets. Your freshwater fill is going to be here. You've got 6-gallon gas electric hot water heater, furnace exhaust and intake, back of the refrigerator there. You've got the extended grab handle, aluminum steps. This little switch right here will turn on an outside light under the steps for at night. Take a trip inside, walk through there. So you got a friction door hinge on this, screen door. Give you a quick overview and then we'll talk about the features. Alright, so a little about this one here. We decided to stock it in vintage washed gray. It's the new Jay Feather color this year. You've got the power tower back here in the back, the seamless countertops. You have the cutting board and dishes dryer over a double place sink, that nice high-rise faucet. Lots of overhead storage here. Nice sized cabinets. Jayco's known for their metal shocks. Help keep that door open so you ain't gonna hit your head. Back of the trailer you got some more overhead storage. And below that we have the theater seat with the dinner trays. These are fully removable. Nice thing about these is you take up a cup holder to use them. They give you extra ones here in the center. These do recline, and there is a little spot here for remote controls and such. You've got the dinette here that will fold down into a bed. Storage on each side. Plus you'll notice the full carpetless slide out. And on the other side of the slide out here you have your entertainment center, 32-inch television, some above storage, below storage, the IRV technologies, Bluetooth, AM, FM radio. Got the glass cover over a 3-burner cooktop, oven light. And then you'll notice this handle turns to red. If I can get it to show you. That's just letting you know that the propane would be on. So blue is off, and then when it's on, it's red. You have the stainless Furrion hood with fan and light. And you have the Furrion microwave. Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. And freezer combo. Door here off to the main living area is going to be the first door to the bathroom. Got a medicine cabinet, sink, storage down below. You have a spot over here to hang your towels. Nice stand-up shower. Skylight above. And you'll notice that this is actually metal, not plastic. You got a pocket door here with a lock. It does lock for traveling. Into the master bedroom, you have a queen bed, some underbed storage, closed closets on each side. You also have 12-volt USB charging and an outlet here. You will have an outlet on the back side over here as well, on both sides of the bed. Nice overhead storage. Little shelf above here. Your other door leading to the hallway. Little jacket closet as you walk in. This does have the 13,500 BTU air conditioning system with the roof vents. You also have a max air fan. If you have any questions about this unit, you can contact us at sales@gogscamperway.com, or you can reach us at 1-800-714-7895. Again, my name is Cody.